Planning your next vacation, have you considered Florida? From the rich tapestry of history woven into its streets to the golden sands of its sun-kissed beaches, Florida offers a diverse and unforgettable journey.
Hey, if you want to create a YouTube video, if you want to create a YouTube channel using AI, but you don't know anything, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a video for YouTube using AI. And it's 100% monetizable content. You don't need intention and any others hidden requirement here. So at first I'm going to this channel. You can see this is a top 10 cities in Switzerland. So you can see here I mute the sound for copyright issue. So I'm going to another channel. You can see this is another video, then this is another video, then top 10 beautiful place in Switzerland for visit 2023 2024, top 10 place in USA, top 10 place in Miami, and etc, top 10 restaurant in Dubai, top 10 hotel in South Africa, etc. Here is lots of category, here. You are able to create those type of video using a specific AI. It's absolutely free for join. So you are able to create up to 10 minutes using just login just your Gmail. So I'm going to this tool, then this is InVideo.io. This link I will attach in description below. Then you just click here, then you are redirected to this website. Then I choose a past select workflow. Why you create this video? Just select here, then I choose for YouTube explainer. Then how many minute? I choose 3 minutes because this is example and show you. Then I choose top 10 and top 5 place in top 5 place in Florida for visit 2024. Then I choose a music, a happy, because everybody want to find, everybody visit and a tour around the world. They actually are happy. So I choose visit place, top 5 place in Florida for visit 2024. Then I choose any gender. I choose a male voice. You can choose others female voice. This doesn't matter. Then I choose a specific voice of our artist. Then I choose middle age British voice. Then you can choose others. Have lots of options. So use iStock normally. So I don't use iStock. Then continue. Then again click generate a video. Just click here, then wait a few seconds. You don't need to know anything of this website, anything of AI. This AI tool create a whole YouTube video for you. Here nobody can tell you about the secret because they don't want to hide their tricks and tricks, but I will show you because I love you guys. So audience travel, so bright inspiring YouTube, just continue click. Then this is a final step.
Planning your next vacation, have you considered Florida? From the rich tapestry of history woven into its streets to the golden sands of its sun-kissed beaches, Florida offers a diverse and unforgettable journey. It's a place where the everyday transforms into the extraordinary and every corner turned reveals a new surprise.
Wow, this is a really good a video for you. You are able to use this video for YouTube and any other tool, because you can see this is a watermark, because this is free method. If you want to upgrade this version, you need to just $20 pay. Then you are able to export 50 minutes generation of month. Then I recommend you choose this plan, because this is starting price for anyone, then you are able to choose max plan. So I recommend plus plan. So if you want to more video about this type of AI, chat GPT and make money online, please comment below. I will try to create a specific video only for you. See you guys in next video. Tata, take care.